Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and frequently I'm asked, what kinds of applications do you use? Do you use liquid or do you use granule? And the answer to that is, well, we actually use both. Depends upon the time of year, but if so far as fertilizer is concerned, the only liquid fertilizer that we apply is one visit, usually in March or so, and that's going to be a liquid fertilizer that's going to be mixed in with weed preventative and also with the broadleaf weed control. The rest of the year we'll be applying a granular fertilizer. Over the winter time, we'll use a liquid pre-emergent because we found that that's best. And then on St. Augustine and zoysia lawns, most of the time we're going to be applying a granular fertilizer and then spot treating weeds. So as you can see, it really depends upon the type of lawn that you have and the time of year that we're doing our applications. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.